Hey, Chef Anthony here with Dawn's Appliances. So excited to bring you this. I'm gonna make some pizza. So we're gonna do it on the Alfa Brio oven. Alfa Brio is a great pizza oven. I'm gonna stretch this dough, kind of talk about it, and get moving. So Alfa Brio, great. It can be wood fired. It can be gas assisted or gas fired as well. So the base is we're doing it on wood. We got the bright red oven here. It's awesome. But think about versatility and think about the difference. I mean, you can make a pizza in your oven, sure, but you can't get it at 900 degrees like this oven will. Maybe 550 is the best you're gonna do in your oven. That high heat, that wood fire, that gas fired look on the outdoor pizza oven is really what's gonna set your Neapolitan pizzas apart, all your different pizza doughs apart. So you get that crisp crust, that leopard skin, that great crunch factor that you talk about in restaurant quality pizza. You're not gonna see that. I'm the chef, and I'm gonna tell you, you're not gonna see that. You're gonna see that in these outdoor pizza ovens from Alfa. They really give you all the tools of the trade. They give you that high heat. They give you those red bricks underneath that are really porous and really crusp up, make that dough pop, and give it that great flavor that it deserves. But don't think we're outside the box just for pizzas. You could do baked pastas. You could do anything under the sun in these ovens. So think about baking bread for all you bread bakers alone at home. But look how nice. We're stretching some dough. Nice large dough right here. Out in the sun gets warm. So let's stretch this very nicely. And we're just gonna make a little pepperoni, and I got some mozzarella here, and just a little fire roasted tomato sauce. So that's gonna go right in. I have about 3 logs in the oven already. It's gonna be great. I'm actually just gonna do a little different. I'm just gonna take it right and build it on the peel. Why not? I think I'm pretty confident on this yet. So I'm just gonna go around the edge here, just create a little wall. That'll kind of help with this high temp, just to give it a little surface and ensure that that dough pops up and crusts up. Just have some regular tomato sauce. This has just some tomato product, a little bit of Italian seasoning, dash of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. So push that around ever so nicely. You gotta cover the pizza. Okay. Few slices of pepperoni are going down. Put a few on, eat a few, do what you gotta do. But once you get in the habit of this, you're never gonna go wrong with some great pizza. So some of that low moisture mozzarella we diced up, big chunks. Fresh basil, thank you there, Uncle Matt. All right. Wow. This is already looking good, it's not even cooked. Push this here, make sure that all goes down. A little bit of drizzle of olive oil on, just add a little richness factor. So, pizza, ready to go. We're gonna talk through the technique. I'm gonna really put it down on the pizza peel, use the turner to rotate it, and I'm gonna show you the different spots on the oven, for the wood setup that we have. We have wood on the right-hand side, so we're gonna get that hot heat from the right. So it's gonna be, 800 to 900 on that right side, but a little bit lower on the other sides. That really helps us out in our cooking aspect, create the perfect pizza, and, make amazing dishes. To the pizza oven we go. All right, pizza's gonna go right in. Let's shoot it right in with the pizza peel. Very nice. Okay, so we switched from the big peel to our turning peel, the round one. So if we look at the pizza oven right now, all that heat's on the right-hand side. So, we're gonna see the crust and everything heat up on the right first. That's our initial sign. So the deck is really hot, around 800 degrees. It's really gonna start to give us that bottom crust that we really like. And now if you notice, the right side, right where I'm hovering over this peel, is really receiving that center heat. So if we pick that up, we just put it on a 45, and we really just drag it towards us. That's a rotating of the peel. See how we're just pushing it all the way through? It's just a great technique that we use to really ensure that we're getting heat all over it. So we're just not burning one side of it. But look at the difference between the right and the left. See how much heat it's receiving? Outstanding. That means our oven's really up to temp, and we're gonna get an amazing pizza. Just leave it in there. Starting to see a little color, which we love. Put it right here. And the Brio just gives you enough room to do that large pizza. That's what I love. So you have a large pizza in here and you still have a ton of room. You could make 3 small ones, you could do 2 larges, you could bake 4 loaves of bread in here, 3 sub rolls, you know, think about a pasta and a side. A whole sheet tray of roasted Brussels or any vegetable from the roasted family, that's really what you could do too. But I mean, this one's coming together nicely. Nice and gentle. Pop it right back there, let it do its work. So really, I've been doing this a lot. I've been pushing it to the left side when I got the puff and the crust that I like, because the heat from that wood is really going over that dome. It's almost gonna like broil it off, and you'll see that cheese really on the back left start to bubble and melt. Okay, everybody, that pizza is ready to roll. Look at that bubbly cheese. Look at that fully cooked pepperoni. Crust looks amazing. That's going right to the board. Okay, folks, so the pizza's out of the oven. So looking great. I love that. Hear that scrape? That's crispy crust is what you missed. So Brio did not disappoint. That's nice. Great looking slice of pizza right here. Pick it up. Whoa. Look at that. Crispy crust. Bottom looks amazing. That's our leopard print. Once again, makes it nice and easy when you control the fire temp, know some of the techniques, and make a great Alfa pizza. So the Brio's in red right here. Comes in a few different colors. We have a few different Alfas to choose from. But I think versatility-wise, technique-wise, you can't do this anywhere but an Alfa pizza oven. Enjoy this. See what you can cook in your Alfa. I'm gonna eat a slice of pizza right now just to show you. Oh man, that's perfect. Right at you guys. Hot, but excellent. Enjoy this video, crew. I'm gonna eat some pizza.